Familiarize yourself with the 2020 Jeep Cherokee. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as an outside temperature display, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, a roof rack, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.